So guys, it is that time of the month again and I don't know what I'm doing. I keep saying I'm going to cancel it, and then when I go to... I'm not particularly bothered about Glossy Box, but every time I go and cancel the latest in beauty, they're like, you can't cancel it till the 16th. And I'm like, it's just annoying. Because then I forget on the 16th and I go and cancel it and they're like, no, you've already paid for it. So again, we have got, this is the Glow Down, and I've only just realised what they actually mean by the Glow Down. Basically every month they put in a certain products that go with the theme. So this theme was the Glow Down, although I don't think I actually got any of the Glow Down stuff. I never remember. I know one was, I'm calling myself a liar now because I can't remember. And I promise you I haven't looked, haven't seen, haven't done anything. Literally came in the mail yesterday, which will be in a week's time when I put this out, guys, but for me it was yesterday. It says La Vie est Bella, and I probably just butchered that. Sorry guys that are in France and can read French, because I can't. And it's all nicely wrapped up. Can you see anything? I do remember now what I got. Something to do with nail varnish. Stop it. I know what you're thinking. So that's what it looks like. Oh, I'm just going to grab the first thing that I see. Oh, yes, I remember now. Oh, dear. So, I got the Wonder Brow One Step Brow Gel. Perfect eyebrows that last for days. This is the Wonder 2 brand. And I know this is £20 in Boots. Or £15 in Boots, one of the two. £15 to £20. And I was like, I wanted to try it, but it was expensive. This way I get to try it. Oh look, they give you a little spoolie as well. I'll probably be giving that a go on this channel at some point. I did get this because I couldn't find anything else that I wanted. This is Find Your Sanctuary, enjoy a moment to relax, breathe and let go. It's the ultimate salt scrub. And then on the back it's got a sticker with £3 off. Not that I use that, because I'm one of the greedy ones that want 9 in a box. But for £18. I also got the charcoal with citrus oil, cleanse and clarifies all hair types. Now, I had one of these in my Glossy Box, and I actually used it and my hair felt gorgeous. So this was the coconut oil, moisturising and revitalising all hair types. And after using that last one, I was like, yeah, because they were really, that one was really nice. I have then got this Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan in Shower. It says in shower tanning lotion, golden glow medium. So I just thought I'll give it a go. I was like, why not? But yeah, this was one that I've been wanting to try because it is quite an easy one for me. I can't be doing all that rubbing and this. You rub it on, you stand out of the shower for a bit, and then you step back in and washes off and you're done. So that was my reasoning behind it. So then I also got the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, and this time I got the red one. That was that one. I've about run out of Tester ice creams, and I was like, let me give this one a go. So this is Revitalising Eye Cream. It comes in a diddy box. Oh, it's a little blue one. These minis last quite a while. you use it and it's gone in a week, it lasts forever. So yeah, I thought I'd have that. I then think this is the Glow Up. Yes, this is the highlight stick in rose. So that's that. Oh, that's really pretty. That'll be nice. Give out them a voucher for spa breaks, but it doesn't tell you how much you get on it or anything. So I also then got a Iman lipstick in the colour red. I'm not opening it, I just thought I'd be able to, because I'd fill my box up with enough things. It can go in a giveaway. So I don't know what that spa break is. There's nothing in there to tell me what I'm supposed to do with it. I can imagine it not to be a lot and you're paying extraordinary for it. But that was free, I didn't put that in. The things that I really wanted was this, the Sally Hansen masks, and this. The rest of it, oh no, the eye cream. The rest of it, the other three things, I could live without, but I've got them. So that is the latest in Beauty Box. So now let's go over to the Glossy Box, because I didn't even look last time what it was. Oh, these are so hard to undo. Let's open up and see what we've got. Oh, it smells nice. So as you can see, you've got your little leaflet. Oh, it's a double one today. Let me just rip it open. Do you know how many of you I've got? Do you? Do you know? Now it sort of reflects why this is in here. So this is the Body Shop sheer, and they put a pamphlet in it, and basically it says there's a she in every sheer. Celebrating 25 years of female empowerment. Yeah, because females need to be empowered for 100%. The Body Shop is celebrating 25 years of female empowerment with... Oh my god, I'm not going to be able to say that and people are going to kill me. Tongue Ties Women's Association in Ghana. Women from the community handcrafted 360 tons of butter every year for the Body Shop using a traditional 18-step process, which has been passed down by generations. Oh my god. And they've partnership with them since 1994. They've also got more in the range. If you guys want to go and check it out, they have got them in exclusive install. That's really good. I'm not as mad as what I thought it was then. So, look, it's just perfect. Oh, God, it's definitely this I can smell in the thinger. It's like, it just melts. It really has, it just melts. So, that's really nice. So guys, if you want to go and join the empowering of women, just go and get a little tub and it helps them. But I have got a lot of Body Shop stuff, but for this, that's fine, and it's really nice. So this is called the Empowering Edition, because now I want to look at it. It says these super rich and creamy body butters melt straight in, soothing, nourishing and hydrating for up to 48 hours. Each one is enriched with one of the nature's best moisturiser. So you can get coconut, you can get argan oil, and you can get nutty shea butter, which is the one that I got. £6. So then we've got the Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. I love this, guys. I use this already. I'm not mad I've got it. I'm mad that I bought one recently, but now I'm not. At the end of the day, it will get used. So this is really good if you've got oily skin type. Really good. They're saying £3. I know it's not. It's £2.99. So Wilco's, guys. This is Laserette Cosmetic Dew Pot Illuminating Unpot. Unpot. I'll read what they say. The smooth and blendable highlight provides a dewy radiant that lasts all day. It's formulated with ultra shine shimmer that accentuates your features and enhances all skin tones. Apply to your cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow for a rosy lit from within glow. And this should be £15.30. I've not heard of this brand. That looks pretty, doesn't it? Yeah, this is called Utopia. It's just here, guys. That is so pretty. It's light, it's subtle, but it's nice. Then we've got Plumper Lip Balm. This says, boosting a thick and creamy formula, the plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips, leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. It also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum that plump your pout and enhance its natural shape. And this is £9. I will not be using this. I will not be testing this. I'm not a lip plumper. I'm just going to show you the thingy. Anything that I don't swatch or do anything with normally goes in the giveaway. And then the last one is Beautyo Kiss Proof Lip Cream. Feel like a goddess with one of Beautyo's full coverage, high impact liquid lipsticks. It's creamy. Its creamy formula glides on effortlessly and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish. Best of all, the colour payoff lasts for hours without needing a touch up. And this is £20. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice pinky nude. That wasn't even one swipe, that was like half a swipe. Oh. Well, I'm happy. The only thing I'm not happy about is the lip balm, but I'm always unhappy about something anyway. These are my 5 products. £14. Me content. So next month it says April sneak peek. Get excited, Glossiers. You have double the fun this April with 2 specially designed fruit and floral glossy box, bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming with flower undertones. Okay. But don't tell you which edit you're gonna receive. Hopefully I can cancel the latest in Beauty Box. I'll be so annoyed if I can't. You probably won't be seeing any more of these. If you do, it's because I didn't cancel it in time. Hopefully I remember, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.